Let's solve this problem here. So we're given this quadratic equation x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0. If a is a solution of the equation above and a is greater than 0, what is the value of a? So a here is the root or the value of x. So all we have to do is we factor the equation, this equation. So how are we going to factor that? So we'll look for factors of negative 12 that when you multiply the factors, it would be equal to negative 12. And then if you add them, it would equal to 1, which is the coefficient of x here, the middle term. So these are the factors of 12. 1 and 12, negative 1 and 12, 1 and negative 12, 4 and 3, negative 4 and 3, and 4 and negative 3. So now let's try. So 1 times 12 is positive 12, so this cannot be. And negative 1 times negative 12 can be, but 12 plus negative 1 is not equal to 1, positive 1, so this cannot be. Then 1 times negative 12 is still negative 12, but then when you add them up, it cannot be equal to positive 1. How about this one? 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is not negative 12. Negative 4 and 3, and 4 and 3 is equal to negative 12. But then when you add them up, which one here would be equal to positive 1? So this one is negative 1, so we have 4 and 3. So all we have to do is just plug in here for our factors. That would be x plus 4 times x minus 3 equals 0. So now to find for the value of x or the roots, we just have to equate each expression to 0. So that would be x plus 4 equals 0. Then our x here is negative 4. Then the other one is x minus 3 equals 0, and the value of x is equal to 3. Since from the problem it says a should be greater than 0, that means a is positive. So from the roots that the values of x that we got, we have 3 as the positive number, which is greater than 0. So a is equal to 3. Now let's try solving another problem. So we're given here this problem. The sum of negative 2x squared plus x plus 31 and 3x squared plus 7x minus 8 can be written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. What is the value of a plus b plus c? So sum meaning we add up. So we just add this equation to this equation. So first thing we do is we get rid of the parentheses, so we group them together. Okay, so this is how it looks. Then next time is we group like terms. So what are the like terms here? So 2x squared, negative 2x squared is negative 2x squared and 3x squared are alike. Then x and 7x are alike, as well as 31 and negative 8. Those are constants, they are alike, so we group them together. So we add up negative 2x squared and 3x squared. Negative 2x squared plus 3x squared, that would be equal to positive x squared. And then x plus 7x is just 8x, and 31 minus 8 is just 23. So we get this equation. Since the standard form of the equation for quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c, so our a here is equal to 1, the b here is equal to 8, and c is equal to 23. Sorry about that. Will be 23. 23. So we add up a A, B, and C, there will be 1 plus 8 plus 23. Then we get the answer, an answer of 32.